Hey, hello everybody. Thanks for coming to this week's video blog. Great to see you. Hey, listen, we've talked about listings before, and we know that list is the name of the game when it comes to real estate. Now, the deal is this. We've talked about exclusive right to sell. We've talked about pocket listings, but there's one in particular type of listing that we haven't touched, and I want to hit that today. And that's the open listing. What the hell is an open listing? Let me explain it to you so you're more comfortable with that term. Open listing coming up. Now, before I go any further, I want you to like the video, and I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon. All right, hey, listen, when it comes to your real estate career, listings are extremely important to you. When you get a seller who's interested in selling their house and they hire you as their listing agent, you are now the listing agent. That's a great day in real estate. Why? Because your job is going to be to take this listing, put it out in the world and tell all the buyer's agents and the buyers out there that, hey, everybody, I have a house for sale. I am the listing agent. You got to tell the whole world about it. And they're going to contact you if they're interested in purchasing this house that you represent. That's a great day. Now, when it comes to listings, however, there's different types of listings, and I want to make certain that you understand what type of listings are out there. The last thing you want to do is get involved in the listing that doesn't benefit you nor your client. What the hell am I talking about? Now, we've talked about exclusive right to sell listings. We've talked about exclusive agency listings. We've even talked about pocket listings. But one particular listing that we haven't talked about, and it's particularly important that you know all about it, is an open listing. Now, what the hell is an open listing? Now, when it comes to a residential listing agreement, please understand that a residential listing agreement, it's right there in the words, residential listing agreement. It's an agreement to list a residence. Done. But let's get more specific when it comes to the contract. When it comes to a listing, what you want from your client and what they want from you typically is respect, professionalism, and the most important factor when it comes to this relationship is exclusivity. They want commitment. They want commitment from you, and you as an agent want commitment from them. Exclusivity. It's just me and you, client. Me and you are going to protect each other. We're going to work with each other. We're going to do what's best for you as my client and what's best for me. We're going to work together. Exclusivity is the name of the game when it comes to real estate. It makes us comfortable. Dedication, commitment. Just like any other relationship, a relationship with your family member, with your wife, with your husband, with your loved ones. Commitment makes everything so much smoother. You know that it's going to happen because you both are working together. It's huge. And when it comes to exclusive right to sell listing, the commitment's there. Contractually, the commitment's there. When it comes to a pocket listing, the commitment's there. When it comes to exclusive agency, there's somewhat of a commitment there. But when it comes to an open listing, listen to this carefully. When it comes to an open listing, there's no exclusivity. It's non-exclusive. It's non-exclusive. Let me say it again. It's non-exclusive. Now, why in the hell would anybody want to get into a relationship, any relationship, with somebody who's not willing to commit? That's what an open listing is. Non-exclusive. Let me dive deeper into this topic. Ready? Open listing. This gives the seller of a property. Let's assume this is the property. An open listing allows the seller to select that agent, that agent, that agent, that agent. Hell, any agent that wants to work for me and sell my house, bring me a buyer, and I'll pay you the buyer's commission. But in a sense, I, as the seller, am going to represent myself. On the listing portion, I'm going to represent myself as the listing agent. I don't need you, agent, to represent me. I just need you to sign here this open listing stating that you don't represent me, but you're going to go out there and work to find me a buyer. Almost sounds funny. It almost sounds fishy. Now, why would you want to compete with other realtors to sell a seller's property? It sounds unusual. And that's what an open listing is. It's the seller's way of saying, I don't want to commit to any of you agents. You, nor you, nor you, nor you. I don't want no commitments. I want to play the field. I want to play the field. I'm not ready for a relationship. But if you guys can find me somebody, if you can find me somebody who's willing to buy my house, bring them on by. And if they buy my house, I'll give you a commission. but I'll take care of me. The seller says, I'll take care of myself. You just go out there and find me somebody who's interested. Non-exclusive, no commitment. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how an open listing works. Again, let me emphasize, in the real estate world, typically, a real estate agent, a realtor, a real estate professional with a real estate license will never get caught up in open listings because there is no commitment. And if you're going to put in the work, the effort, spend money on advertising, marketing, don't you expect to get paid for that? By being a listing agent, by being a true listing agent, whether it be exclusive, whether it be a pocket listing, by having a client willing to commit to you, makes your day as a real estate agent a lot easier. Please get that straight. An open listing, there is no commitment. Hope this helps you out. Now, you have to make a decision. If somebody offers you an open listing, hey, come on over. Mike, I'm a seller. Come on and represent me. I got others who want to represent me. Why don't you just represent me? And whoever finds me a buyer wins. You'll have to make that decision. Do you want to waste your time, money, and effort on somebody who's not willing to commit? Just like any other relationship. Think about that for a second. My recommendation to you, don't bother. Don't bother. Find somebody who's willing to commit to you. You've earned your license. You're a professional. Believe in yourself, damn it. Believe in yourself that you're the best of the best. And you deserve commitment. You deserve respect. You deserve, ready? Exclusivity. It should be an exclusive relationship with your client. Makes your life easier, makes their life easier, makes the whole project easier, makes the whole escrow easier, gives everybody peace of mind. Hope this helps you out. Listen, again, like the video, good. Subscribe to the channel, last but not least, hit that bell icon. And don't forget, when it comes to listings, please request, recommend, and deal with only exclusive right to sell contracts. Have a great day. We'll see you next week.